Understanding Welding Cart, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting English phrase, welding cart. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's dive in and learn about welding carts together. Welding carts are practical tools used in workshops and various industries. As the name suggests, a welding cart is a cart specifically designed for welding purposes. It usually has shelves and hooks to hold welding equipment, such as a welder, welding rods, and safety gear. The main purpose of a welding cart is to organize and transport welding equipment easily and safely. The phrase, welding cart, is a compound noun, consisting of two words, welding and cart. Welding is a process of joining materials, usually metals, by causing coalescence, which is commonly done by melting the workpieces and adding a filler material. A cart is a vehicle with either 2 or 4 wheels, designed to be pushed or pulled. When these two words come together, they describe a cart designed specifically for carrying welding equipment. To better understand how to use welding cart in a sentence, here are some examples. 1. The welder pushed his welding cart to the work area. 2. Please make sure all the equipment is secured on the welding cart before moving it. 3. I bought a new welding cart to organize my workshop better. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a welding cart is and how to use the term in English. Remember, learning a language involves understanding both common and uncommon phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.